Hello children, we already have started our new chapter, that is chapter 5, where what did we learn last day? We have learned about our bones and muscles. We have different body parts and these body parts are made up of either bones and few parts are made up of muscles. Now this classwork we have done to unscramble the words, and this came to wrist, this to be knee and this to be chin. Now today I will give you the homework of to find out number 4, 5 and 6. What will be this? This will be nose, skulls and elbow. You find out the spellings and you will copy it in your note copy. This PDF also I am sending you. So what did we learn last day? That bones and muscles, our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones are hard, isn't it? And muscles are soft. And what covers them? The skin covers them. And these bones and muscles, what is their function? They gives the shape and support to our body. And how many bones do we have? We have 206 bones and more than 600 muscles. Today we will learn about how muscles and bones work together. You say me children that when you pick up a bottle, your water bottle, what do? You use your hand to pick it up. Now can you pick up without, if there was no bone in your hand? No, because your hand would not be able to do that, and if there was no muscle, your hand would become stiff and like that skeleton, and you will not be able to move it flexibly. So as you pick up your bottle, your school bag, you pick up all these such type of works you do with your help of your bones and muscles. They work together. Then you run, you skip. All these, your muscles and bones are working together and helping. Next, you see here this player. What this player is doing? This cricketer, muscles and bones help a cricketer to bowl. You see the hands? He is catching the ball with his one hand and ready. This hand he has put to his back and is ready to bowl. Here you see muscles and bones help the weight lifter. This is a weight lifter who lifts the weight is called the weight lifter. This weight lifter is ready to pick up the weight. He is lifting the weight. With the help, this also he is doing, he is sitting down, then he is using his leg, muscles of his leg, then picking up this weight with the help of his hand. All these works are done by our bones and muscles. Then most of you know how to swim. So when you swim, your muscles of your legs, your hands, some few muscles and bones of your neck also helps you to swim. So what is given in your book? Let us see. The muscles are fixed to the bones and help them to move. A weightlifter lifts weights with the help of his bones and muscles, as I have shown in your picture. Muscles and bones help a swimmer to swim, helping the swimmer to swim. Muscles and bones help a cricketer to bowl. Next, muscles and bones help a cyclist to pedal. Do you know to cycle? Yes, we know how to cycle. Some of you knows. I hope you are cycling your little cycles. That muscles help you to pedal. Your legs you are using, then you are bending and your hands are also using to cycle. So muscles and bones help a cyclist to pedal. Okay, we can do all these things only if we have strong bones and muscles. Now if you do not eat, so your bones and muscles will be strong? No, you have to eat protective foods, then you have to eat protein and the food that consists of vitamin, which will help your bones and muscles to develop. Exercise makes muscles strong. Muscles become strong when we use them regularly. If you always sleep, do your muscle help you? No. If you become lazy, your muscles will help you? No. To make your muscles strong, you have to use them regularly. That is why sports persons exercise every day. Walking, jogging and light stretching. Walking you are doing, you are playing much. Jogging also you should do sometimes, and light stretching exercises that are taught in your school, you should do that, which are very important for your good health. Otherwise you will become old soon. Eating healthy food helps to make our muscles strong. You should eat healthy food so that your muscle becomes strong. See in this picture, this boy is doing stretching exercise. Are you doing? So from today you start doing exercises, okay, which will help you to make your muscles strong, bones and muscles strong. So children, up to this we will read today, and I am providing you the PDF. You go through the chapter properly and do your homework. Another thing is that today I am also going to give you the worksheet, weekly worksheet. What are you seeing here? Here is the picture of a tortoise, isn't it? What you have to do, you have to join the lines. You have to join the lines properly, and here color, it is not given, but you color it. It will look very nice and you will also feel happy, and write its name here. You can do this homework after getting the book also. Next, worksheet 5, this one only. What you will do, you have to do the patterns. See the patterns, snakes, and you have to color it also. This type of patterns you will draw on the snake and color it also. This also you can do after getting the book. And this worksheet is there. Keep your surroundings clean. This is one way when keeping your surroundings clean. Color the picture. You have to color this picture. What this boy is doing? This boy is throwing his waste paper on the dustbin. So you do all these things and spend your time well. You are getting your books. So be happy and stay safe. Thank you.